Okay, so if you're seeing this in your soil when you're digging over your plot, everything you need to know. So, right, let's get out the sun for a while. Now this is couch grass. It is a plague on any veggie patch or allotment. It just sits under the soil, can go quite deep, and the only cure to get rid of this is just to keep digging it out. So every time you have a crop succession, dig over the bed, okay? And when I say dig over the bed, try and do it just after it's rained, would be better because the roots will come out easier. If the soil is very compact, they'll just snap off, okay? So it'll snap like this. It snaps very, very easily in the ground. Even if you leave a chunk that size in the ground, it's going to grow, and there you go, it's going to spread again. So that needs to go, everything needs to go, okay? I always double dig the beds, so dig it over once very, very thoroughly, remove all of this couch grass as much as you can, then let it settle for a day, a few hours, come back, dig it again. You'll find loads that you've missed, and believe me, the second dig you will find some, so it's well worth doing. And then just plant as normal, okay? You can chemically treat this stuff, but as growers I wouldn't advise it really. We're growing crops in the same soil that you are going to put chemicals in, so I'm not a big fan of that at all. You can manage it. It is just dig it over, remove it, and every season that goes on after the first dig, it just gets easier and easier. So get your forks out and get digging. That's the only way we're going to beat this. And I hope this helps. Keep turning the soil until you see white roots. You just want to take these all out. As you can see, couch grass. Keep digging. This is what an infected bed looks like. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. I need all the help I can get. Let's grow this channel.